Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your forward edge rearview mirror. First, gather your tools like a small flathead screwdriver, a Torx bit set if needed, and a trim removal tool. Always place a towel or cloth on your dashboard to protect it from scratches or falling parts. Understanding the specific mounting style of your mirror is crucial before you begin any prying or twisting actions. Once prepared, carefully examine the mirror's base where it connects to the windshield. Many forward edge models have a small tab or a set screw that needs to be released. Use your small flathead screwdriver or Torx bit to loosen it. Then, apply gentle, firm pressure while twisting the mirror counterclockwise approximately 1/4 of a turn to disengage it from the mounting button. After the mirror is detached from its mount, you might find electrical wires connected to it, especially if your mirror has features like auto-dimming or a compass. Carefully disconnect these electrical connectors. Often, a small flathead screwdriver can help gently pry open the locking tabs on the connector. Always pull on the connector housing itself, not directly on the wires, to prevent damage. To reinstall, align the mirror base with the mounting button on the windshield. Ensure the orientation is correct, then apply gentle pressure and twist clockwise until it locks securely into place. Reconnect any electrical connectors until you hear a click. Test the mirror's stability and adjust its position. For more great reads on the go, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. You can find a link in the description, along with other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.